Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here from the inside of the Baxter Cycle Royal Enfield building, and look what we got here today. This is a tachometer that is made to fit in this little spot on your Royal Enfield Classic 350. It's made specifically for this job. It comes as a kit. It's got directions and parts right there, little bits and pieces. It's got the wiring. It's supposed to be very easy to hook up. I'm not haven't done it, so I don't know, but it looks like all the connectors are right. We were looking at the directions earlier, and it all seemed, very plausible. And then this, you pop the headlight out, go through the housing, pop this cover off. I believe that's how it's done. And then this replaces that unit, and you'd have a little tachometer right there. We haven't installed one yet, but we just got them in the other day, so I think they got half a dozen of them in or something like that. So for those of you, and I get a lot of questions about tachometers on these bikes, that is now an option. If you're interested in that kind of thing, there it is, BaxterCycle.com. Just going to show you this really quick while we're here. But these are most of their classics. They're Meteors. Over here we've got Interceptors, Continental GTs, some of their Hunters left right over here. And against the wall, these are all accessories. There's Bigfoot, parts, Royal Enfield stuff, Interceptor stuff, just all kinds of stuff, apparel, clothing, everything they have on the Royal Enfield site they probably have here. These are the coats. These are the Cardinal Law jackets. I just did a video on, I wore my Cardinal Law jacket on a rain ride the other day. Other items. Hi, pants. I was just asking about that. But, all kinds of nifty stuff, gloves, hats, backpacks, shirts, everything you can imagine. Royal Enfield since 1901. That's a long time, 122 years. Something real interesting here, 1965 Royal Enfield Bullet. Very few of these were made. 232 were made, only 18 came to the United States. I did a video on this bike a while back. So, BaxterCycle.com, get yourself one of these tacks. It'll fit right in this spot of your Royal Enfield Classic 350. Hey, if it's nice out there, get out and ride. Wow.